Welcome to all ME2I students for engineering drawing lecture. Myself Professor Shinde DV. Today we will have a review of projection lines that are conditioned. First condition is line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now here the figure is given. You have to draw first XY line VP HP. Line is perpendicular. They will give the length of line, that is true length. They will give some length that is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now here is a line that is perpendicular to this horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. This is the vertical plane. So when it is parallel to VP, the true image is obtained in front view, that is above XY line. And if you observe from the top view, you will observe the single point A and B. I have named it as A and B. Single point is obtained here. Now in second condition, what is the condition? Line is perpendicular to VP, vertical plane ko perpendicular, and parallel to HP. So from where we have to start? We have to start from the top view, because complete line is parallel to HP. That image is the true length and we have to start drawing from that length. Now we already know the point A. If I name it point A, it is the front side above some distance above HP, some distance at front of VP. In front of VP means below XY line, above HP means above XY line. We have studied already. This is the second condition. Now here is the second condition. The line is perpendicular to VP, VP perpendicular and parallel to HP. Parallel to HP means here A and B, that is true length. Some distance we have taken point A at below XY line. Below XY line we have already studied in front of VP. Now we have taken the point A and single point of that projection line front view is observed because line is perpendicular to VP, that is A dash B dash. Above HP means above XY line. In front of VP means below XY line. This is the second condition. Now if you look at here the third condition. Line is parallel to both the plane, that is VP and HP. When the line is parallel to VP, the true image is seen in VP, that is front view. When the line is parallel to HP, true image is seen in HP as well as. Here in both sides, line is, they will give a condition, line is somewhat 20 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. Means we have to take line 20 mm above XY line and 50 mm in front of VP means below XY lines. Here is line parallel to both HP and VP. We have drawn first XY line. This is above XY line VP. HP. Line is parallel to HP. Line is parallel to VP. They have gone some distance above HP. Above HP means above XY line. Line AB is front of VP. Some distance in front of VP means below XY line. Now look at this condition. Actually, three dimensional the line AB that is inclined to with respect to horizontal plane at some angle, that is theta, and it is parallel to VP. Now front view observe first. Draw the front view here because it is parallel to VP. We have to first start drawing in VP. And it is inclined to HP. This apparent length, true length is obtained to the parallel. Where it is parallel to VP. So the true length, if it is 100 mm, this 100 mm true length is obtained in VP. And it is inclined to HP. HP, we observe from the top view on HP the apparent length. That is not a true length. This is the condition and we should know the angle. Point A is some distance above HP and some distance in front of VP. If I keep this point on this plane, point A is in HP and some distance in front of VP. So the A above HP means above XY line, in front above HP. Now here is no above HP, in VP means on XY line, and in front of VP means below XY line. This is the condition we have to understand here. Now look at this condition. As you observe, line is inclined to HP. and parallel to VP. Now incline to HP. Incline to HP and parallel to VP. In VP we have to start drawing. Here is point A above HP, point A in front of VP means below. This is the inclination angle theta with respect to which plane? With respect to HP. We have to take the protractor here 0, 10, 20, we mark that point, we have to draw the line, take the true length and draw this line. Then we have to draw the parallelity with respect to VP. This is VP. Now if you observe at this line is now parallel to both the plane. I am increasing the angle from 0 and making angle, it is perfectly parallel with HP and it is inclined, giving some angle with respect to VP. So line is parallel to HP and inclined to this vertical plane. So the true image is observed in top view. We have to start from the top view. Where it is parallel here in HP image is top view. Here you have to start. Now front view observe here. Front view if you observe here, for this line it is inclined to VP. This apparent length is seen. This is not a true length. It is apparent length. It is parallel to HP. So in HP it is observed the true length. Here is line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. This is XY line. The inclination of line with respect to VP, it is called as angle phi. Angle phi. Some angle, if you have to keep your protractor 0, 10, 20, 30, 20 degree. This is the true length. Then you have to move in the upward direction. This is the true length, this is the apparent, this is front view. And this is your top view. That is line inclined to VP, parallel to HP. Here you have to start, then you have to move here. That is parallel to HP. This is the way to draw the projections of line for 5 conditions. In next lecture, you will see line inclined to both plane, both principal plane, that is HP and VP. Okay, thank you.